Hey there, welcome back to Code Instinct, the channel where we make coding and Excel fun and easy. Today, we're diving into one of Excel's most powerful tools, the SUMIF formula. Imagine this, you've got a list of fruits and their quantities, and you want to quickly calculate the total number of apples. Sounds simple, right? Well, with SUMIF, it's not only simple, but lightning fast. Let's break it down. Before we jump in, a quick shout out to our amazing patrons on Patreon. Your support helps keep this channel going, and I couldn't be more grateful. Alright, now back to the tutorial. The SUMIF formula is a lifesaver when you want to add up numbers based on specific criteria. Here's how it works for our case. We have two columns. Column A lists different fruits, like oranges, apples, bananas, and so on, while column B shows their respective quantities. Let's say you want to calculate the total quantity of apples in cell D2. The formula goes like this. Equal sign. SUMIF. Open bracket, A to colon A. 7 semicolon, double quotation mark. Apple. Double quotation mark. Semicolon, B2, colon B7, close bracket. Here's what each part means. A2 to the A7 is the range where Excel will look for the word apple. Here, in the middle, apple is the condition, meaning you're telling Excel to focus only on rows where apple appears. Column B2 to the B7 is the range of numbers that Excel will add up, but only for the rows where apple is found in column A. When you press enter, Excel quickly calculates the sum of all rows with apple in column A, and just as simple as that. Now you've got your result. Pretty cool, right? And there you have it, folks. The SUMIF formula is your go-to tool for quick and efficient calculations based on criteria. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Code Instinct, and turn on the notification so you never miss out on future tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments what other Excel tips you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.